Hope this command now it has been, you have been getting used to it, I'm sure. Okay, so the previous video we are dealing with the school database. Let us select the school database. It does show the current tables which are within the school database. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Okay, so as I said, in this one we will specify more on inserting values in a database. I will show you two ways of inserting values in a database. The first one will be inserting one statement, and the second one it will be like inserting multiple rows at once. Okay, so lecturer, let us describe the lecturer tables. Let us see lecturer tables. Let us describe it. Okay, we have ID, we have lecturer name, we have lecturer location, and mobile. So let us just create another table quickly. The previous video, we are part 1, table part 1, we have seen how we can create a table. Student, which you put ID, integer, name, voucher, then we can even say sex too. Anyway, some more, say just location, voucher. You need to specify the size. I did explain it to the description of the first video. The size, please, size within quotas 100. Okay, so we can show table to see how many tables do we have in our school database. Now we have two tables, the lecturer and student. Okay, so the first one, we will deal with the student table. For the first example, how we can insert one record at a time. Okay, so the command is insert into. You specify the table, which table do you want to insert data in, the student. Okay, student table. Then you specify the colon. Make sure the way you set the colon when you created the table, that's how you have to set the colon when you're inserting the data. Kindly, it's something you need to make sure for avoiding errors. Okay, name, and then we have location. As you can see, when I created my table, I have ID, I have name and location. That's the same way when I want to insert data, I have ID, I have name, I have location. Respect the order. It's most important for avoiding to get an error. But in case of any issue, kindly share to me the error, and then I will assist you in the comment. Insert into student, which is the name of the table. The columns are ID, name, location, values. Then we specify now the value which you want to insert it in our table. So ID, let me put 01. As I said again, when you insert values, if it's a voucher, a string, we have to put it within quotation. Within quotation, which I put Junior, which is my name. Then location, Nairobi, which I located, of course. Okay, then semicolon at the end of each SQL statement. Let us click enter. Then we need to display all the data from the student. This is the command, select, this time means all from student. Okay, select all from students. Simple. As you can see, we have Junior, ID 1, Nairobi. Let us insert at least even 3 record. Insert again into, specify the table, student, and then the ID, name, location, then values. Okay, then you put again values. This is 2. Comma, please, you have to separate the colon by comma. Then you can say we have Peter. Okay, then location, we can say we have Congo. Okay, then semicolon. Guys, whenever you insert the data, make sure you check if the data has been inserted by using the command select all from the name of the table, which is student. Then okay, let us insert the last one record. Insert into student. This one now I can tap quickly because now you are good with this command. Location values, then we have id3, you can say your gp, and location I can say Uganda. Okay, select all from student. Guys, that's how we can insert one record at a time in a table. So that was the first command. The second command, we're gonna see now how we can insert multiple record at once in a table. So most of the time, that's what I always do. In case I want to insert like 10 records, I will just insert it quickly at once instead of inserting one by one. It takes time. But for a beginner, you need to know the process. Okay, you specify the column name and then you specify the value which it will be inserted in a table. And make sure the way you created the table, that is the way you have to insert the value when you want to insert it. Okay, let us create now. Let me now show you how we can insert 5 records, 10 records at once in a tables. That's the following command that I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Insert into, you specify the table. Let me take the lecturer table as our second table. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Let me describe a bit this table to make sure you have it well. Okay, I have discarded the table. Then now we can insert value. Let me show you, by the way, the table is empty. Okay, just to make sure everything is clear. As you can see, empty set. The table is empty, nothing within it. Okay, so let us insert now. Hope you are enjoying this database. Insert into the table name, which is lecturer, of course. Then we specify the colon. Kindly guys watch it. We specify the colon, which is like name, then we have oh, I said like, anyway, I'm sorry. The following video, the table part 3, will see how we can modify, edit, and update a table. Okay, and then mobile. Then okay, what I need to show you guys here now, we just do that. Then values. Okay, the id, let me take 1 comma, let name, let me say yeah, Judy, comma, what again, location I can say Nairobi, let me take Paris of Japan. Okay, and then we have what, mobile number, it's an integer, we don't need to specify we don't need to, anyway, let me type any. Okay, so guys, this is the process. Insert into lecturer. You don't need to specify any columns anymore. After writing the name of the table lecturer, then directly you write values, then you start inserting values. The first values, we put it in a bracket. This is the first values that you will insert. It's gonna be like our first records. 1, Judy, location Japan, and that's the phone number. Then you open again a bracket. You separate by a comma. You tap again. 2, the name. I can say oh, this is the I can call Sarah. Okay, comma, can say China, sorry, between quotation, China, comma, and then we have phone number. We put any phone number, guys. Then you put again comma. The first one is 1. This is gonna be our first record. This is the second record. I want to insert 5 records at once. Okay. Then we have okay. 3. Let me call it Sasha. Okay. Then we have the country. I can say which country. I can say Nairobi. And then comma, guys, just full. Then we have that was location. Then mobile. You put a number as usual. In case we get any error, guys, I will show you. I will follow up. Let me just insert 4 records. Okay. Then we have a 4. Here we can say JP, comma, location we say Congo, which is okay. Then insert any number. Okay, it's a mobile, I don't need. Then at the end of the statement, a semicolon. So guys, insert into this the way we can insert multiple record at once in a table. Insert into lecturer, that's the name of the table. By the way, lecturer, I need to add R. That could give me an error. I need to add R. Okay, lecturer, values. Then you start inserting values by putting them in a bracket. The first record, second record, third record, and fourth record. Okay, let me click enter. Okay, guys, the row has been inserted. Let us see if it's there to make sure. From it's a lecturer table. Bingo, guys, all the value has been inserted. So hope you have enjoyed. Kindly, this is the way you can insert a record, one record at once and multiple records at once. Okay, so this let me select also the one for student. Let us see. So guys, as you can see, we have now records at lecturers table which we inserted at once, and the student table which we inserted one at a time. Okay, so there is another command that I was supposed to add to the previous video, but I can still show you to this video. It's called truncate. Truncate is a different command from delete from table. They are almost the same, but the difference is like when you use truncate table, it will help you to clean all. When you use truncate table, it will help you to clean the table. Okay, so I will show you. I want to delete all the values from this buff record, but by using 2 different command, guys, and you will see that they will have the same output, but I will advise you, whenever you want to delete all the record from a table, use truncate table, which it used to delete all the row from the table and free the containing space. Okay, if it's a one record, use the delete command with a where condition. That's okay. But if you want to delete all the records, kindly use truncate. Okay, let me show you. Just that's simple. Just the command is that truncate. Then the name of the table, let me say student. Okay, just like that, truncate. Then student, click enter. Then all the record, let us check if the student, we still have the record. Student, guys, empty set, which means we have deleted all the data from the student with the truncate table, which is most advisable when you want to delete all the record from a table. But you can still use the delete from lecturer. It will still have the same output, but the more advisable is to use the truncate one if you want to delete all the record. Okay, delete from lecturer, it will also delete all the record from the lecturer table. And when you click it, and when you select again from lecturer, semicolon, as you can see, it's empty. So that's 2 ways you can delete all the record from a table, but I advise you to use truncate